We are committed to shaping a better world for future generations. We reduce environmental impact with clean, innovative, responsible energy solutions. This is our purpose: build the future through sustainable power. We lead energy transition combining environmental, social and financial sustainability, empowering people to consciously manage energy consumption and facilitating access to cleaner and more energy-efficient solutions. We have a long-term perspective, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle for all. This is our vision. Drive electrification, fulfilling people's needs and shaping a better world. In all our choices and in all our everyday actions, the 5 values that drive us: trust, innovation, proactivity, flexibility, respect. Together we can build a better future for all.